Pigs are an appreciating asset. Pigs get bigger, they're worth more money because of their weight. Sell them, now you got paid for that. You take that and go invest it in another appreciating asset. Nick and I was talking about a potential pig farm on his property. You know, he's looking for cash, he's looking for ways to make money. So we're talking about making a pig farm here where he could come in and he could start raising some pigs, using that barn over there, raising some pigs. And then during the holiday season, he would sell all the pigs off for people to cook them during the holiday season. And we figured he could probably very easily make about $30,000 a year. Might be able to make a whole lot more than $30,000 a year doing that. I'm not a pig farmer, but let's say he makes $30,000 profit off of that after the first year. Now he takes that $30,000, that's a down payment for a house, right?
Right.
You get a mortgage, you go buy a house. Debt service coverage ratio,
Yeah.
they use it, you can buy that. It doesn't affect your income anyway, so you buy that house, you make it work money, then you do it again. And you develop a whole strategy with a pig farm to give you the cash that you need to get your first 10 houses. That's doable. And you do the pigs and you do some goats. People want to cook different types of food. That's not inhumane, that's eating. You know how much hate we're gonna get from that?